to Mr. Wonka, who is
Um,
joining us here from
yes.
Hawaii on the 25th of May 1960. And ladies and gentlemen, sitting at home in front of your old little television sets, which you think are new and fantastic, that look like microwaves to people in the future. But the people in 1960 didn't even know what a microwave was. So they're watching you and they are getting this report from Hawaii. And for the sake of those people who think that you are in Hawaii and the sun is shining and the palm trees are waving and you're lying on the beach sipping a cocktail. Can you please tell us what is the situation in Hawaii on the 25th of May 1960?
um, the story is that um, we're on a street and Jeffrey is eating KFC, and I was hit by a lamppost.
Oh my gosh, we
When
remember that from last time. Yes, because this was at
when
the but
yes,
what was happening in Hawaii at the time that he was eating KFC and you bumped your head because people didn't see the last report.
um, the story is um, we escaped from the Chile and we take an aeroplane to Hawaii.
And why did you have to escape
Um,
from Chile?
because Chile is in a big earthquake.
Experienced an enormous earthquake. Okay, and so you flew all the way to Hawaii, where you were running on the street, and your colleague, the accident, waiting for a place to happen. Jeffrey, the cameraman, was eating KFC as usual. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Um, he is. He eats nearly all the KFC chicken wings on the plane, and now he is also eating KFC
Oh
on
my
the street
goodness.
while walking.
My goodness me. Okay, now we're ready to understand what's happening. So you're saying you're on the street and you'd bumped your head. Can you just take us back to how it happened that you had bumped your head?
Um, when I was worried about Jeffrey, who is eating KFC while walking, I think he will bump his head, and I bumped my head.
You bumped your head while
uh,
looking back at him. You ended up bumping your head. And what was happening in Hawaii around you? Was Hawaii calm and
um,
peaceful?
yes, because of night, everyone was at home, and Jeffrey was eating KFC, and I wanted to find a hotel, so we walk on the street. But when I bumped, um, I saw the lamp and it's off, and and all the street lamp is all
Dark,
off,
dark and off.
all
Yeah.
dark, off. Yes, and we didn't know what to do.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's all dark, and our matches, lights are useless. And Jeffrey also heard something strange. It's like a train.
So then Jeffrey heard something, or both of you.
Jeffrey heard something because only Jeffrey heard something because I was bumped my head and my ear um, is just listening about something like
Okay.
stars spinning around.
Okay, so yes, please do continue. I just wanted to capture what you were saying there. Trying to put it where we can see it. Yes, there. Okay, lovely.
With many years of experience, I and Jeffrey um, both noticed that a tsunami is coming.
So you would say with many years of experience in the reporting field, Wonka, CNN reporter,
And Jeffrey, CNN filmman,
a tsunami. Oh my goodness, coming. That was the sound they were hearing, or Jeffrey had heard, isn't? Okay. So do we need to move to the next slide yet, or are you still explaining what happened here? Okay, you're still explaining what happened here.
So we can move to the next page.
We can move to the next page. Okay, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. So the diagram, Mr. Wonka, the diagram that you have sketched here is the situation. Can you explain this little map that you've drawn for us here?
This blue one is the tsunami I was just mentioned. And we are here. The red point. We are here, and the green one is the street, and there are one yellow narrow street where we will escape from here.
Oh my goodness, and I've note here that you're saying the world is in suspense. It's the only way to go not to die is to use that narrow street. Are there buildings on either side? On both sides, are there buildings on that narrow street? Does it have buildings on both sides?
Yes, yes.
Oh gosh, so if the blue wave comes, that tsunami wave that we see here, this is the tsunami wave, the blue is the tsunami wave. So this here we've got to say is the tsunami wave. If that wave comes, those buildings could fall, and our cameraman Jeffrey, who is an accident waiting for a place to happen, and our reporter Wonka could both die. Ladies and gentlemen, please stay with us while you go and make your cup of tea. We're just stopping for a few seconds so that there can be a few ads on the television. We will be back with cameraman Jeffrey and CNN reporter Wonka in just a minute. But keep those seats warm. because we are going to learn more about what's happening in Hawaii as the tsunami approaches. There's the wave. Oh my goodness.
And the small turtle is, "Run, Jeff, run!
Oh my goodness.
The danger." I will read it to you.
Yes.
The danger now is not only the waves with electricity, but also the falling rocks. And the unlucky thing is that we have nearly no light, only the small light from the moon. We run towards south, but we doesn't know that the waves comes from south.
Oh my gosh.
We soon notice this and run back towards east quickly. We are the luckiest of the unlucky. Although there is a wall in the east, but we find 2 bicycles without lock.
Oh, yay! So we can see you running, and then there's the wave, and then you've got to run to the east, and there you go, and you run, and then there's a wall, but luckily, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with CNN reporter Wonka, and back with his cameraman Jeffrey, and both of them have just managed to jump on 2 bicycles to try to get away from the tsunami. This is amazing, amazing. Okay, so that was it. Hey, it was your 2 slides. Oh, here we go. Oh, this was...
And I remember I do an animation. I remembered.
Okay, it doesn't come out here. Oh, there we go.
Really?
This is the next, okay, there we go. What was this, another page? Wait a minute. Okay, get out of here quick. There we go.
Teacher, I remembered I made an animation last page.
This is the second last page. Let me share, because maybe on class in it doesn't animate the way it should. Let's go to this one here on the PowerPoint, and then we go. You see, now I can't do slideshow. All right, let me go for slideshow. Tell me what you can see. Can you see this? Escape from Hell?
Yes. I can see it.
Okay, there. Can you see? Oh, I love the curtains. Oh, you've done such a great job. There comes the wave. I love it. I love it. Run, Jeff, run. And now, oh, there. Oh, I love it. How you ran. Okay, there's the animation of how you ran. Here comes the wave.
At first, we run towards south and east, and we went to north, and we go east.
Okay, can you clearly see all the words here? Get out of here, quick.
Yes.
Okay,
Get out of here, quick. We get on these bicycles and ride rapidly. The only way to escape from this dangerous place is go west. Luckily, I found a light. A light. Remember, we can see the roads.
Yes.
I found a light from my bicycle. After a while of riding, we found there are 2 ways to go, north and west.
My gosh, what must we do?
There is no time to choose. The waves are coming as fast as monsters. Jeffrey says we must go north because we comes here from west, and there is also a KFC takeout. No, absolutely no, I argue. We must go north because the waves go north. That's the only way to escape.
Oh my goodness, Jeffrey still wants to get some KFC.
KFC takeout.
I love it. Okay, next one.
We are finally really in real terrible trouble. I ride into that street without listening to Jeff, and Jeff quickly follows me instead of finding KFC because he doesn't have any light to find his favorite KFC. As we are riding through the street, we can hear that the waves behind us are running, and we can feel that there is something dangerous coming in front of us. Oh no, coming in front of us.
Yes.
And behind us is a wave, and there is something dangerous in front
Front of
of
us.
us.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. We don't know. We don't know what is coming. Although we don't know, the only thing to do is just ride, ride, ride.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And here?
And this yellow one
Is the street you
the
are in.
street. It's the narrow street we are in.
I love that. I want to.
And I will tell you what happens after. I want to tell you is after we got into the street and we come into a square, and around is buildings.
Oh
We are
my
in a
goodness. So you
square.
trapped by the buildings.
Yes.
Oh my
And
goodness.
we ride around the square and find nowhere to go.
Oh.
And we also found that there are waves coming
Oh my
around us.
goodness me. Oh, I can see them closing in on you. They're closing in. Oh my goodness. Now you are boxed in. It looks like you are boxed in by the waves.
What should we do?
What should we do? And there we go. Gosh.
Teacher, I've told you that I have 2 pages that I didn't finish. I want us finish it now.
Very good. Oh my goodness. But I love your animations. It's hard to choose to climb or not to climb. Let's do this together now. My goodness, you've animated it for the audience out there can understand the terror that you felt boxed in by those waves. It's amazing. Okay. So hard to choose to climb or not
Teacher,
to climb. Yes.
Teacher, I want to tell you one thing. There's 2 pages, and I want to write the first pages.
Okay, so
not the second pages.
Okay. What do you want to do? Where do we go back to? Do we go back to this one? And after this?
No, next one.
Yes.
Next one. Yes.
Okay, what do I write for you here?
The title is, let me think. We are boxed in a square and waves.
So boxed in between oncoming tsunami waves. That's the title. Okay, good. Now what happens?
Let me tell you.
Good. Tell me.
As we ride, there's an echo.
Okay, now you're riding in the square. Am I right?
Waiting. Teacher.
There's some wrong with my my phone, and there's an echo. There's an echo.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Okay, wait a second. What we do, let's just stop this here. Maybe, can you hear me now?
Yes.
All right, just put the headset down on your table. Then you
Teacher,
can still.
I think there's no echo now.
Okay,
When
good.
I didn't use that.
Okay, let's go back then. Can you see this?
As we ride,
You ride in the square. Are you riding in the
as
square?
we ride in the end of that street. Right to the end of that street. To the end of that street, we found that the street, the end of street, leads to a square boxed in several buildings.
We are boxed in, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
We are boxed in several buildings, and we ride around that square, and we found nowhere to escape.
You ride like crazy monkeys. You know the monkeys on a bicycle? Have you seen them?
Yes.
Around the square, looking for an exit, isn't it?
Yeah.
But
we want an exit.
Finding nothing. Okay, and to make matters worse, what happens?
And now both of us hear three trains are coming, and we know that there's three tsunami around us.
So I'm just using different words. Approaching. Can you see that word? This font
Approaching. Yes.
This font that you've chosen is quite difficult to read. Can you read it? What if we do that? Or do you want it something like, because it's quite difficult to read it, because we're going to put all of this together. Is that okay like that?
Yes, all is okay. Choose one you like.
Okay, just to be able to read it, we realize that there are now 3 tsunami waves approaching us. Okay. Oh my gosh, what are we going to do? Jeffrey is still eating KFC, is he?
Around us falling down, and buildings around us are falling down, and Jeffrey used its unique eyes and use his unique eyes find a KFC falling down.
I love it. His unique radar for KFC eyes to find one. To find one, yes. What? Tell me some more. Of course.
You want to grab it, which is you want to grab that pack of KFC, but as he saw the falling rocks crash into that KFC. He was already crying like a baby.
Like a baby. Not because of the tsunami.
And
Not because of the tsunami. He's not crying because of the
just
tsunami.
because of that KFC.
Very good. Because of the tsunami, but because of the loss of his beloved KFC. Oh my gosh, this guy is ridiculous. Okay, what happens?
Suddenly, a piece of glass appeared from Jeffrey's head, maybe from the building or otherwhere. At this dangerous second, I grabbed Jeffrey and threw him into a safe place.
What happened to the bicycle? Did you throw him with the bicycle?
No, he was already, when he is crying, he was already sit on the ground. When he was crying.
He jumped off his bicycle to sob, which is to cry a lot. Bicycle. Sorry. To sit on the ground and sob about his KFC. Okay, so you threw him to a place of safety.
And finish. Next
Okay.
page.
That page is finished. Beautiful. I love it. Okay, so now we come to the next page. Hard to choose. To climb or not to climb, that's the question. Is this the title?
Yes.
Okay, so let me just make this one also in inverted commas, like your others. There's just one thing I want to do quickly here to make sure that and then you know what our big work is going to be. Our big work is going to be to put all of this together. Put all of it together into one PowerPoint, all right? Because we've got...
Oh, that's easy. You can control all and control copy. And
Thank you for telling me it's easy. I'm going to give it to you for homework. Yeah. Yeah, we've got...
why that?
I'm thinking about you spinning around here. Well, which one do you like? I'm thinking about you and Jeffrey. Wait, I'm going to show you another one. Wait a minute. Oh, I am showing you another one. Wait. There's this one. You can pick one. They're riding around on the bicycles. Or do you want to pick another one?
This one.
Number 1, 2, 3.
4.
The one with the boy and the baboon.
Let
Or
me
here,
see.
this one. Or this one. Oh, here,
I think
2.
I like this one. This one.
All right, tell me which one you want. Explain to
The
me.
one you are looked at.
The one with 2 people on one bicycle.
Yes.
The 2 monkeys on one bicycle. Because in the end now Jeffrey's off his bicycle. He's going to have to, or what? But are you going to climb? That's the next question. Are you going to climb or not climb? That's the next question. So I'm going to put these here because I'm just going to send the PowerPoint to you. You'll fix it, okay? You'll decide which pictures you want to use. You'll decide which pictures you want to use and how you want to animate it. You know, because if we can animate this one to spin around, and there you are. You always have to take care of Jeffrey, you see. Okay, so now we're at the next scene, and the next scene is hard to choose, to climb or not to climb. That is the question.
Oh, I hear something, but not dangerous.
Must I type? Oh, okay. I now
hear something,
hear something
but
which
not dangerous.
does
Which is
not
not dangerous.
sound dangerous. Okay.
But maybe not safety.
Which does not sound too dangerous. But also not really too safe. Is that what you say?
Too safe.
Too safe. Okay.
Yes. And here I want to ask a question, that is, do 1960 have a helicopter?
Now we have to find out what. Let's see if in 1960 there was a helicopter to come and save you. Helicopters in 1960. Let's see what they had. Did they have images of helicopters? Yeah.
Images.
Luckily.
Yes, they have.
Yay. Okay, which picture do we take here? This is a helicopter Airbus. There's an Airbus. This is an Airbus. This is an Airbus, a big one. And there is another Airbus.
This one.
1, 2, 3, 4,
This one.
5. Which one?
The fifth.
The fifth.
It seems much light.
It
much
seems
lighter.
lighter and smaller. So we're going to put this one on your slide. Thank you for checking if they had helicopters in 1960. Okay, fantastic. So we now have a helicopter coming in. Okay, good. I'll just park it there for now. Let's carry on writing.
Jeffrey says, "Look, a helicopter."
Jeffrey screams
He points
through his
to
tears. What? Was he still crying about the cave?
look and says, "Look, a helicopter."
Okay.
And as he points to the east, yes, to the east. As we are looking at it, a rope falling from that helicopter.
So the rope unfolds because it goes zing, 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 down. It goes down, okay? Unfolds from the open helicopter door, okay?
To climb, I said, to climb or not to climb? That's the question. If we not climb, we will die for the tsunami. If we climb,
so it's blowing in the very strong winds of the oncoming wave. Waves, because there was more than one, which are roaring in our ears because we can hear them coming. But the rope is going like this. That ladder is, okay, it is blowing in the very strong winds. It is almost, is it easy or difficult? Is it possible or impossible?
impossible.
It's almost impossible to even catch it. So now the question arises to climb
or not to climb.
Or not to climb this rope. What did I say? Did I call it a rope?
If we not climb.
Yeah.
If we not climb.
If we don't climb.
We not climb.
If we don't climb.
We will die.
If we do climb.
If we do climb, maybe something dangerous will happen.
As the rope, oh gosh, now my hands, as the rope twists and turns like a snake, isn't it?
Yes. Jeffrey says we must climb because I can't help eating KFC. If I dad, I can't eat KFC now.
I can't eat my KFC pieces, chicken wings. In peace here. In peace here. Okay, great.
All is ready. We have to climb because my opinion is climb. It's climb.
Because? Sorry, I missed what you were saying. Jeffrey says that we must climb.
My opinion is climb. My opinion is climb that rope. Otherwise,
my decision. Okay, I like your word opinion. We have to climb because
Jeffrey wants to climb and I want to climb. We must escape from the hell. And my opinion too.
So now, did you manage to grab the rope? Because the rope is going.
Yes.
How did you grab it? We must tell them. So,
let me think.
Jeffrey can't grab it because his hands are full of KFC. You'll have to put him on your back. You'll have to put him on your back. You know what I see? Wait a minute. Let me just tell you what I'm seeing. I see that Jeffrey's got the KFC. This is what I see. Jeffrey has the KFC and he's holding on so tight that you have to put him over you. Okay, I missed some of what you're saying. Tell me what happened. Okay, the sound went a little bit. Tell me what happened. Oh dear.
And more dangerous. As you said.
Okay, you've got to talk again because I missed what you were saying. Tell me. So?
Hello?
I can hear you.
Hello?
I hear you, Wonka. Wonka, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay. I can hear you.
Good. So tell me what to write.
Because of Jeffrey bought KFC, so I have put him in my backpack.
You had to load him on your back.
I put Jeffrey in my backpack. I want to another slide. Yes.
Okay, we're going to do another slide. Is that right?
Hello?
Yes, I'm here. Okay, tell me what to write on the next slide.
You're here? Right. I want to say that I have Jeffrey on my backpack, and I was um hesitate that if I take that light from the bicycle.
I hesitated about whether
I take that light
from the bicycle.
As I was pulling it. Teacher, I want to say that I didn't pull it off. I just want to pull it, but I can't pull it off, and the waves are still coming, and the rope is still shaking. And I want to make this more dangerous.
Very suspense.
Pulling the light.
A lot of suspense. As I was pulling the light to try to get it off the bicycle.
A big rock. A big rock falling onto the bicycle and crashes.
Bicycle and smashed it.
I was so scared that I didn't hesitate, and I hesitate about it, and I quickly want to grab that rope. Want to grab that rope. Whistling rope. Snaking rope. But the rope is shaking quickly, like someone is shaking this rope on a helicopter. As I grab it, the rope always moves to the other side. Actually, I was not. There is no one shaking that rope. Just because I can't see anything, so I can't grab that rope.
Okay, are you saying actually there was no one shaking the rope?
Yes.
Actually, of course, there was no one trying to shake the rope from the helicopter.
The reason why I can't grab it is not only the wind, but also no light.
Very good. I love the way you said that. I could not grab. It was not only was there the strong tsunami winds, but also the fact that I had no light to see where it was. Okay, so this is what they call, this is called double trouble. You have problems from more than one side, it's called double trouble. I don't only have a problem
Double
here,
trouble.
I have another problem there, double trouble. Okay?
So I have double trouble.
Yes. Okay, now we have 3 minutes left. Do you want to give me a few more sentences? What I'm going to do, we have 3 PowerPoints now. I'm going to show you, and you've got to put them all together. We have this one, you see, which starts like this. Then we have this one which you did last week, the flight to Hawaii.
Flight to Hawaii.
Where we added stuff. And then we have the new one, the escape from hell. So I'm sending all 3 to you. And then you have to put them in the right order. So that the story the story must flow. It's such an exciting story. Oh my goodness. There's Jeffrey sitting in your backpack like a little monkey, eating KFC wings while you are grabbing, and can't bite his wing. He can't bite his wing. He keeps going, and then the wing is gone, and then the wing, because he's sitting on your back. While you are trying to grab the rope, every time he tries to take a bite, then his hand goes this way, then his hand goes that way. This is an amazing story. How strong you have to be to carry Jeffrey, catch the rope, and go up. Maybe, are you going to climb that rope? Are you going to be able to pull yourself and Jeffrey up the rope? Or are you just going to hold on and then the helicopter flies with the 2 of you going?
I want to write what is Jeffrey bite the rope, and I suddenly grab that rope and I climb because of Jeffrey is too heavy, so we fall down and we had to do it again.
Oh my gosh, you're going to have to tell that whole story. Oh my good golly, Miss Molly.
And after we got onto the helicopter, there's a storm, a storm with wind and rain. And I want to write that helicopter was broken and we are
oh my gosh.
We are float with a wood. And met a boat, and the boat take us to Japan, Tokyo, and we met another tsunami there.
Oh my gosh!
And after several danger, we got back to China, Qingdao.
My God, this is an amazing story. So, okay, there is still a lot of the story for you to write. I'm going to send you all 3 PowerPoints. You put them together. And then you can write the next chapter that you told me about now. Or let's just write the next chapter, then we put it all together later. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. You must have a beautiful day. I'm enjoying this story. I love it so much. I can see it. I can just see.
As I calculated, I think I will write 4 PowerPoint or 3 PowerPoint later.
Okay, fantastic. 3 or 4 PowerPoints. Remember to draw those little pictures of Jeffrey chewing in the backpack. I can see him sitting here on your back in a big, like the army guys, they have those big backpacks. The big ones, not a school bag, a big one. Okay.
Big one.
You have a beautiful day there, Wonka. It's lovely, lovely, lovely to see you. I enjoy your class so much. Have a great day. Bye.